This is our 225 frame. You can get it with just the board only or the board with the wool balls. And then sold separately in the shop would be the multiplication coins that would sit on the board if you're going to practice your times tables. You can use any kind of objects on the board, but if you get it with the wool balls, you're going to receive 10 different colors, and you can use them to do color sorting and patterns. So here we're working on a row of red, orange, yellow, or we're creating the full rainbow, and once you get to that 10th color, you just start over again. You can do equations on your board, such as 12 red balls plus 3 orange balls equals 15. And then you can do multiplication. So we're doing groups. We have 3 balls in each group. And if we have 3 groups, we have 9 all together. But if we add a 4th group of wool balls, then that's 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 equals 12. And we have lots of different coin sets you can use on the board, so it becomes a base to do all kinds of different studies, such as counting with the number coins. Here we've done 1 through 10, but you could fill it all the way up to 225 and use the lines to help you group your numbers by fives. You can use alphabet coins for doing spelling on there, life cycle coins for just listing them out and labeling them. Here I'm showing that 3 is less than 8 and using objects to demonstrate that. You can clearly see that you have more yellow balls than red. Or if you're going to do percent, in this quadrant right here, I have 20% orange balls and the rest are green. You could also see it as 1/5. So lots of different things you can do on there with all of our different coin sets.